Hey there, everybody. My name is Megan Cato. I'm going to apologize real quick. I'm sick, so, but that doesn't stop me from completing my school assignments. So, plant competition occurs when two plants require the same limited resources, such as sunlight, water, nutrients, or space. In this presentation, I will describe an example of interspecific competition between two common medicinal herbs, peppermint and lemon balm, and explain how this interaction negatively affects the fitness of both species. Competition is a negative-negative species interaction, meaning that both species involved experience reduced fitness. Even if a plant appears to dominate, both plants suffer costs due to reduced growth or reproduction. This concept aligns with Gauss's competitive exclusion principle, which states that species competing for the same niche cannot coexist at stable population sizes. Peppermint and lemon balm are perennial medicinal herbs commonly grown in gardens and herbal systems. Both spread quickly and prefer similar growing conditions, including moist soil, full to partial sunlight, and nutrient-rich environments. Because they occupy the same ecological niche, they frequently compete when grown together. When peppermint and lemon balm grow in close proximity, they compete for underground and above-ground resources. Their root systems overlap, reducing access to water and nutrients. Above ground, their dense foliage competes for sunlight, limiting photosynthesis for both plants. In addition to physical competition, peppermint engages in chemical competition through the process of allelopathy. Peppermint releases volatile compounds and root exudates that can inhibit the growth of neighboring plants, including lemon balm. However, producing these chemicals requires energy, which reduces peppermint's own growth and reproductive output. As a result of competition, lemon balm may grow more slowly, produce fewer leaves, and have reduced reproductive success. Peppermint, while often dominant, also experiences reduced fitness because energy is diverted towards chemical defense and competition rather than growth and spread. When grown together, both species perform worse than when grown alone. This example of competition between peppermint and lemon balm demonstrates that plant-plant competition is a negative interaction for both species. Even in medicinal herb systems, competition can limit growth and reproduction, supporting ecological principles such as the competitive exclusion principle. These are the references for the information and images that were used during this presentation. I thank you all for listening, and bye for now.